This is Mr. Monster. He likes dogs. So this dog comes along. Woof woof. Mr. Monster starts nibbling on her. The dog gets mad. So she decides to eat Mr. Monster. Now she has sharp teeth. The end. Welcome to Super Kids Universe. I'm Ava. Today, we're making bookmarks. Here are some things you'll need. Square pieces of paper, a scissor or scissors, some glue, markers, and you can't go wrong with googly eyes. Let's learn how to make it.
In order to make this, you need a square sheet of paper. To make this size, you need a 4" by 4" square. To start, bring this corner to this corner, and folding it down the middle. And we're just gonna press it down. And you can use the back of your nail. And we call this creasing the paper. Next, with the open side pointed down here, we're going to take this corner and fold it down to this corner so that this edge goes up the middle. Turn it around and do the other side. So now with the flaps up top, we're going to open it. Then we're going to take this corner and we're going to bring it down to that point we just made and crease it. Now we're going to take these flaps and tuck them inside. And we'll pick it up and push this in until this edge is lined up with this one. And then press it flat. And then do the same on the other side. And press it flat. And that's it. We can draw on it or we can add other things. You can get a smaller square and put it inside to make it look like a mouth. And then take a white strip and some scissors and cut some diagonal lines. Put some glue here and then you have little teeth. Ooh, sharp. And you can cut white circles and you can make eyes. And then grab a marker and draw some pupils. And you can make them as crazy as you want. Then just glue it all down. Then you just find your last spot, grab your bookmark and slide it over a clump of pages. And if it has teeth, it looks like it's eating your book. Nom 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 nom. Yum. Now just make some more.
I hope you had fun making them. I sure did. If you've made one of these, put it on Instagram with the tag SKU Bookmark. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.